Wait, let me show you. Look at how much snow is on it. Oh, class. This is perfect Russian exercise to get you. Is that your building over there?
That's my building. Yes.
She claims it's her building. That's where Putin lives. So those guys are cool. What?
I said he lives in the clock tower. He lives in
the clock tower. Anytime you hear the bell ring, it's him. He's over there. Ding 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 ding.
Впервые в мире.
Впервые на гум-ярмарке.
Звездный союз мультфильма пришли в цирк. Встречаем.
And he's now dancing over there. You see that guy with red hair? That's Putin. So, we're now in Gum. If you couldn't hear on the video, but she said yes.
Yes.
She was confused because she was surprised, but anyways, we're in Gum. That's what it looks like in there. I guess we're going upstairs now. But this is like a big shop in Red Square. She's happy. Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Good. You can show it off again if you want. Huh? Huh? Alright. Well,
You did a great job.
Max is going to the third floor. We can... Max, мы здесь тогда. We'll walk around here, wait for him. But this is what it looks like. It's a shop of... a mall of all very expensive stuff. Mostly, oh look, there's Wolford. What, can I zoom in? There it is, right there. But anyways. Good?
Good.
There we go. I think those people behind us thought that we were taking a video of them, but in reality I was just trying to show Wolford that right there. Ah! Right. Dang it, I can't. There we go. Somewhere there. But there's the ice cream building. There's Putin's house. We're going down there. That's where the river is, and it's probably frozen because everything else is frozen. She's being a tourist. But anyways, what are you saying?
This is my building.
This is her building.
I love it. So
Oh wait, I think I see Putin here. He's right there.
you probably can't see him in the camera, but he's there.
That's definitely Putin over there. Do you guys see him? Yeah, it's definitely him. Did you see him?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're going to see the frozen river.
What?
We're going to see the frozen river.
What? We're off to see the river. The frozen river of
Moscow.
something. Oh, more Christmas trees. What do you know? Oh, careful. Max almost fell. But, yeah. The river is right there. You can't really see it, but it's down there. That is one of the bigger buildings in Moscow. I think it's municipal. I can't remember. But there it is. The ice cream building. Tourist. But skyline of winter Moscow.
Probably a tourist.
I have to get the camera down to make sure that it includes her. But anyways, that's a big ball. Just put him again right there somewhere. They're playing the music. Yeah?
Yeah. Good playing music. I'm good here.
Hello, we're back. There's the river. There it is. As you can see, it's completely frozen. Almost. And then that looks pretty awesome. Kremlin, St. Basil's, and boom. And then there are the cars. And the tourist, the biggest tourist in town. There she is. I would put all the single ladies song in the background, but she's no longer single. I mean, it's been what, five and a half, it's almost 6 years. So I guess it's time. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. All right, we're here now. We're at my childhood place where you would slide. That black thing right there you see is ice. Wait, let me show it. Look at how much snow is on. Oh, class. This is perfect Russian exercise to get used to the cold. All right, Al, come on. All right, Max, how was that?
It was amazing, guys.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
Oh, she fell.
Be careful.
She hasn't even gotten up to the top yet. She's already fallen. Very nice. Sure. Подожди. Вот здесь вот. You have ice, snow on you. Oh, now it's a look for all you ladies. Alright, Al. Careful. Actually, I don't really care if you're careful. Very nice. Careful. Woo! How was that?
Very fun.
How was that? Very fun? Alright, now it's my turn.
Просто
Should I vlog myself going down it? Or should you guys? Here, you
I
guys
will.
take it. Okay. Alright. Hello, everybody.
well, hello everybody.
Here you guys. It's much steeper than it looks. Huh? The lifeguard. Baywatch. Here it goes.
Опа!
Oppa.
Опа!
So there's a tree here that you run into.
That was amazing. Okay, there's another side. Or you guys want to stay
no, I
here?
want another
Okay,
one.
Max is gonna go again. Next time I'm gonna video myself going down it.
Okay.
Come on, Hasselhoff. Uh-oh. This is really fun.
Mhm. It's much steeper when you get up there. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's super steep. Al, do you want to go now?
I should go again, yes.
Okay,
Just remember,
careful. You want to go? All right. Remember what?
Don't try to stop it with your
Feet, because that'll hurt, yeah, and get a lot of snow. It's getting a little bit dark, but
just put your feet on the edge.
Okay.
yeah,
It will be much more fun.
much more fun. Yes. Uh-huh.
Она круче, чем кажется.
Yes. Max said this is a very cool slide, but it's actually a lot steeper than you guys think. The angle on this thing is not 45 like it looks, it's like 70. Don't try to stop yourself. Oh, I don't think I got you. Okay.
Try not to stop yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will be much more fun.
I'm gonna go while videoing.
Okay.
Hopefully your phone doesn't break.
Pasha or me will stop you.
Yeah, we'll stop you like this. You shall not pass.
We have
Another one? Alright. We have more people come with us. Alright. I'm ready for this, guys. Oh boy! Oh boy! Looks like they're going to a different one. Alright. This is what it looks like from here. Wave to the camera. You can hard. Да я знаю, я понял. Я понял. Alright, guys. Hopefully I don't fall. Oh no. Oh, that was perfect.
You good?
I'm good. That was so fun. I hope. Oh gosh. I hope that.
I want another one.
I hope that I was able to video capture it. All right, I'm gonna pause this here, and then we'll go again. Max is about to go. There he is. There he is. There he is. Whoa! Whoa! Sorry, Max. I didn't think to stop you. Okay, Al, your turn.
Ты попробуй, короче, братан. Вот лечь вот так вот полностью будет вообще офигенно.
He suggests that we lay down.
Okay.
So try that, Al.
Okay.
Try that. What are your afterthoughts of this?
It's amazing, guys.
It's amazing. Amazing.
Everyone should try it.
Yes. Everyone come to Russia and try this. It's really fun. Now,
To this specific slide.
yeah, this specific slide. I'll drop the exact coordinates.
Yeah.
No, but this is a secret facility that Putin uses to train super soldiers. This is the training they have to go through. All right, let's do it, Al. Max is ready. Max is like the catcher in baseball. He's making sure. Oh gosh. She almost took me off. Oh, I can't see with my glasses. They're completely fogged up.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try now with vlogging myself going this way.
Do you want me to push you, Pasha?
No, you're okay. I think I'll go too far if you push me. All right, let's do it, guys. All right, super steep. Hard to see from here, but let's try this again. I can hardly see. All right, everybody. Hopefully I don't drop my phone or Hallie's phone. Here we go. Ah! All right. Oh, Hallie's falling down. But Hallie clearly has never done this before.
Nope.
Oh, she's sliding down.
Grab the thing.
I don't think this is a good idea.
Nope.
I probably should help my fiance, but she's now become ah! Go in snow. You got more traction. Nope. And we're filming a movie called Hill Climb. The one, you know, the one with I forgot, Harrison Ford or someone, or no, Nicolas Cage. That's right. Okay, let's do it. Running start.
Nope.
I'm gonna have to push her, guys. Look, it's not that hard, Al. It's really not that hard.
She's stuck, Pasha.
She's stuck, guys.
Oh, no.
She's, oh,
It's
God.
happening again.
We're trying.
Nope.
You might as well go down and go around. It's
Okay, yeah. I'll do that.
look how easy this is. Watch. Oh gosh, that's. I accidentally stopped the video, but it's super easy. I promise I didn't cheat. All right, running start, Al. Running start. Let's go.
Go,
Woo! Go, go, Power Rangers! She's almost got it. Woo! She made it. But anyways, as I was saying, there's a lot more down here. A lot more slides down here. Allie has never obviously done this before. Look at this one.
I think we have a little jump over there.
Oh yes, there's a little. It's hard to see, but there's a little jump. Max is about to go. Uh-oh.
Pash, can you push me?
Yes, of course I can push you with my foot. Alright.
Come on.
Please be careful. That seemed fun. And my glasses are fogging up because of how much I laughed. Max, how was that?
Huh?
How was that?
Amazing, guys.
Amazing? Alright, but as I was saying, Allie has never obviously done this before.
I'm struggling.
No, don't try to. Okay. Kun Lao. Hua! Perfect. Great job, Max. Great job. Now Allie is gonna go. There's a jump here.
Okay.
But anyways,
I'll go slow.
Allie has never done this before. Obviously, she hasn't seen this much snow or ice for that matter. And this is actually where I grew up sliding. I used to come here as a kid, and I used to do this a lot. Oh, she jumped. And Max is gonna catch her, hopefully. All right, here comes me. I don't think I'm gonna video myself, but anyways, we'll try. I gotta hold on for the first time. All right, here comes Max. It's a bit darker now, but hopefully it works.
Watch out.
Давай, Max. Now you can see somewhere right here is that little jump. Opa! Allie, you enjoying this?
Yes.
It's hard to see because it's getting really dark. It's like 4 o'clock, but it's super fun. All right, Allie, your turn.
Who's next?
Okay. I'll run.
All right, this one is the biggest one. You can go all the way down to that bridge. So Max, be careful. Do you want me to push you? Al, do you want to push him really quickly?
Please.
Woo! I think he drifted a little bit. Max is so fat that his side leaned one way. So, I'm just joking. Woo! Oh, almost got it. All right, Al. Here we go.
Here we go.
I need to push you?
No, I'll be okay.
Okay, you sure?
You can push me if you want though.
I'll try. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yep. Oh, I'm going anyway.
All right. Careful!
This one is not so scary.
Max said this one isn't so scary, but I think it is.
Do you like it?
I haven't done this in more than 10 years. Opa! All right, I'm gonna try to hold the camera. Don't know how well this will work, but we'll see. Oh, hey. All right, went backwards a little bit. Oh, I gotta hold on to something. Ah! Oh gosh, okay, well, whoa! 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 Hello, friends. Oh.